Hey peeps, welcome to the Crafty Witch UK. My name's Arietta and today I am so excited to show you this finish. This is Warm Witch by Ivy Dollamore from Diamond Art Club. I had every intention of using this for whip and chats, for having big long chats with you throughout the month of September and October whilst I completed this canvas. But for some bizarre reason, it has probably been the quickest big canvas I've ever finished. I don't know why. I don't feel like I rushed. I've had a trip to the hospital. I've had days of sickness. It's not like I've just sat solidly and diamond painted since the 1st of September. I don't really understand it, but she's done. So yeah, I'll insert some pictures of her, you know, in full, because it's difficult for me to show her on camera all the way. But suffice it to say, I am so pleased with her. She's just gorgeous. So yeah, we've got this stunning witch character with her big witch hat, lovely ABs in the moon. She's sat here drinking her cup of tea, reading her magic books, super relaxed in what is one of my dream positions, in a window seat. I've always wanted one. Never been lucky enough to have one, but yeah, that's the dream. Window seat surrounded by books and pots of tea. Next to her in the window, we've got her familiar, her black cat, sitting on this lovely embroidered cushion. We can see the landscape outside, and then down the bottom we've got more of her sort of books and paraphernalia. This lovely jar here with the beautiful monarch butterfly on the side of it. Just, oh, she's just stunning. Yeah, honestly, this could be the quickest review in history. I had a little bit of clumping with my black drills, but nothing that I couldn't work around. It wasn't really terrible like I've had from some previous kits. Yeah, it was, you know, I thought that I would maybe find doing these large colour blocked areas a bit boring, but no, actually I used the sort of shape of the windows as a way to section the canvas off to start with. So yeah, it is a really nice mixture of a lot of colour blocking at the top, and then down the bottom, not so much, I wouldn't necessarily call it confetti, but there's lots of, because of the design, there's lots of sort of lines of colour. So if you're confident with sort of a 6-7 placer, you can get through that quite easily. Obviously there's primarily these sort of warm colours, but also in her outfit there is quite a lot of dark tones. So in order to get this lovely shading, there is, I don't know, maybe 6 different shades within her outfit, which are lovely. As I said in the unboxing, which I'll post it up in the corner, this is the old render. It's the original render of this design. For whatever reason, Diamond Art Club re-rendered it. If I understand correctly, it was at the artist's suggestion. They re-rendered it with extra ABs. So I'm really hoping that, I know a few people are working on this for Drills and Chills and Spooky Flings and Festival of Witches. I'm hoping that somebody's doing the new version so that I can look at the differences. But yeah, so this one is 41 colours, including 2 ABs. There are peachy coloured ABs around. They are so sparse that I actually can't remember where they were. She says trying to find them. I actually can't see any of them. Nope, no idea, can't remember. Oh, hit it, yeah, sorry. They are in the cushion, that's where they were. So yeah, all of this design here in the cushion is the peachy ABs. And then we've got white ABs in the design of the teapot, the shine on this urn, her ankle bracelet, and in the sort of the magic area, with a few sprinkled throughout her clothing. But yeah, not a whole lot. I mean, even some of these little, I would consider these to be sort of magical sparkles here. They're not AB. These ones in her hat aren't AB. So yeah, be interesting to see what the differences are. But I am so pleased with how she turned out. I cannot wait to get her framed up and on the wall somewhere. I'm not sure where yet. I think I may well leave the washi on the edge, although I might put fresh washi on, but it will be this mushroom design. This is a washi tape from Bailey J. If you saw my previous unboxings of her artwork and stationery sets and things, again, I'll pop a link. Then you will have seen me open this washi. It matches her sketchbook and pin badges and this little character, this little mushroom girl. So yeah, I just thought colour wise, this just worked really nicely for these colours. And then although I do have my witch hat washi tape, that is purples and blues, and so I'm going to keep that for a more tonally appropriate picture, I think. Right, so let's just look at leftover drills briefly. I'll just move her up there a little bit. There we go. There was... This is where I keep whole packets, and as you can see, there's not a whole packet of anything. I've got a little bit of 310 in there. But in terms of the rest, was there anything? There was nothing that I was running out of. Plenty of the 3371, which is the dark brown, which is the sort of colour of her skirt, the main colour of her skirt. In terms of ABs, we've got sprinklings of both left. I could easily have probably popped some more in. A little bit more 310. That's what I've got left of the white, which is the window colour. This sort of, in fact, I think it's the sky rather than the window. But yeah, nothing at all that's really low. But they are a lovely selection of colours. I was there was another canvas I worked on this year where I was fairly convinced that the black ABs had a different number of facets. Sorry, black ABs. The black drills had a different number of facets to the rest of them, and I think that was probably the case with this as well, although I couldn't be sure. It's really difficult to see stuff like that because as soon as the light shines on it, yeah, it's impossible to tell. So yeah, you can see there's not a single colour that's not got anything left, and they are all these, it looks like it's like herbs and spices. So these are going to all be dekit into my spares. I I'm very much looking forward to getting on and doing that. Yeah, and then on to the next one. As I say, this was supposed to be my project for the whole of September, which now just means I get to start my October project a little bit sooner. So I'm still going to keep the embroidery calendar for October. I'm still going to do that starting on the 1st of October. I've got the Paint Gem minis, the Black Magic themed ones. There's 12 of them, so I'm going to split those throughout October. But then also I think I'm probably going to do another big canvas, because yeah, we're halfway through the month. I've got time now. So I think it's probably going to be Jack and Sally. So yeah, keep your eye on the channel, and I will do an unboxing of that as soon as I can organise myself, and get that up for you. Ordinarily I try and keep unboxings to Mondays, finishes to Fridays, but it doesn't always work out that way. And anything else goes on a Wednesday. So if you do want to make sure that you are told every time I upload, then obviously, as I always say, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you will be told if I'm uploading at some random time. Also, I am inching ever so much closer to the elusive 500 subscribers, which the reason that that's important, if you don't know about YouTubey things, is because when you get to 500 subs, then they give you a community page, and then it's so much easier for me to communicate with subscribers. So I really want to get there. I would love to get there before the end of the year. So every like, share, subscribe means the absolute world to me, because I love doing this, but it's made all the greater in an enjoyment if I know that I'm giving you guys what you want. So the sooner that I can get that community tab and be able to find out what it is that you want from me, so that I can help give you the content that you enjoy. So yes, enough rambling from me. I hope that you have a great weekend, whatever you're doing. Subscribe, become a member of the Crafty Coven, and I will see you in the next video. Stay crafty!